Good morning. I still haven't used nicotine because I don't want to anymore. So we're not gonna. I have to go pick up my roommate at 2. Yeah, I've just been being lazy, honestly, since I left the last gig I was working on. Haven't had any new gigs pop up except for I actually might be doing a little bit more of a professional type gig, back in healthcare, honestly, just a tad, just personal care for disabled people, and I like it. And I obviously need supplemental income to keep running around and doing stuff, recording videos, because I'm out of money with that. So I've been on a particularly interesting journey this past 2 weeks or so. I decided I no longer use nicotine. That's a choice that comes after many, many years of using it. Quit smoking cigarettes at 14, quit smoking cigarettes at 25, started vaping at 25, vaping at 30, used Zens for a few months. Now here at 31, no nicotine. God, it has completely changed my day-to-day. It's starting to rewire my rewire my brain, because I'll wake up and I won't be cranky. I won't even really be thinking about nicotine. Actually have a pack of Zens in my drawer in my bedroom next to my bed. Haven't touched them when I decided I didn't want to do it anymore. I just left them there, and now it's become sort of a personal challenge not to fail my own self by opening or digging into them. I do feel better mentally, physically, all that good stuff. Even already, I do have a little bit of a headache. I haven't craved a cigarette in a long time. When I do crave nicotine, I can feel my blood pressure kind of like a little bit, like maybe my temperature go up a few degrees and then kind of come back down. It's like your body, it's like, I don't know, it feels so different, but it feels so good. My body's absolutely trying to find different ways to please my brain. Welcome back to another day of my life and Vlogmas. Dan, Dexter, hello. So we're on day 2000 and something of no cigarettes, but day 11 of no nicotine whatsoever. That's what we're doing for Vlogmas. This in the casual sense. I want for Christmas to be more healthy, so, and to be less dependent on a chemical to give me another chemical, serotonin or dopamine or whichever one it wants to give me first. I want to teach my brain to do that itself. So that's what we're gonna do for myself for Christmas. So, we've moved a few times now in the past few months or weeks or whatever. The hats that Tyler's been wearing, we kind of bagged up and put away, and they've gotten kind of mildew and moldy lately. So we're gonna try to combat that in my bathroom today. So far I've got baking soda, we got some Lysol laundry sanitizer, some dish detergent. We're gonna start there and we'll see what happens. Check the water out though, it's already getting kinda crazy looking. I don't have a plug, so I'm using that, so kind of keep it locked in. They're soaking. They smell great. leaving the laundromat. It's super cold, and I hope that they don't mold anymore. And I guess to wrap up this little segment of my life and Vlogmas, is it a Vlogmas if we did no Christmas stuff? I don't know. I decided to hang the hat here on the wall. I still have a few more to do, as you can tell. But I think it's better, it'll dry, actually, is what the intent. They are dry, but they'll be continuously dry. So that's the hope.